Okay. So good morning, Miss. Good night. Um, my name is Edwin Waco Salas. Uh, I will be an industrial engineer. So today I'm gonna talk about globalization and how it affects us globally in my career. So the impact on industrial engineering, globalization is a process that connects countries, companies, and people around the world. It is driven by technology, communication, and international trade. In the past, industries work mostly inside their own countries, but today almost every company interacts with global markets. Products, for example, are designed in one country, manufactured in another one, and distributed all over the world. This creates new opportunities, but also new challenges for professionals and industries like mine. Uh, well, okay, sorry. Okay, so the understanding of globalization is important because it influences us the way that we work, the way that companies operate, and the way that industries competes. Uh, for example, I'm gonna explain what are the main advantages and disadvantages we have as well, and how affect us uh, as industrial engineers today. Okay, so globalization can be understood as a growing interconnection between countries through the exchange of goods, services, information, and technologies. One of its main characteristics is the barriers that we don't have anymore because allows like companies to expand their operations around the world. Like for example, Caterpillar, Mitsui, Komatsu. Uh, we see the globalization in the way that information travels instantly across the world, the way that products are made using international components, and the way labor and knowledge can move between countries. It also increases competition because companies from different continents now offer similar products in the same markets. Uh, um, as well as we see in the last point, global supply chains, how we create them to be more efficient. So globalization has several advantages as well as benefits countries and industries. One of the major advantage is access to global markets, which helps companies grow and reach new customers. Another benefit is the spread of technology, allowing industry to innovate faster. It also reduces production cost by, for example, as I said before, um, design the product in one country and to be manufactured in another one. However, for example, the disadvantages for are for some local industries because they cannot compete with like bigger factories or bigger brands. What else? For example, they end up disappearing because they cannot compete with the cost. Another issue is the job or sourcing, where companies move their operations to countries with cheaper labor, affecting workers in their home country. Like, for example, we have now teletrabajo in Peru. It increased the wage inequity, and another disadvantage can be the environmental problems due to the high levels or of transportation. Okay, globalization has a strong impact on industrial engineering. Sorry. Uh, okay. Why? Because it changed how companies organize production, manage resources, and design processes. Industrial engineers, my career. Now we work with global supply chains that involve suppliers, factories, and distribution centers located in different countries. This requires greater planning, coordinations, and problem solving. Another influence is the adoption of global standards such as the ISO certifications, which help ensures quality and consistencies across the international operations. Well, finally, increases competition, which pushes industries to operate more efficiently, and we play a key role in optimizing processes, applying lean manufacturing, and developing strategies to make companies more competitive in global markets. So, thank you, Miss. I'll see you next time.